do you
Yeah.
think students who pay more money are more motivated?
I think so. Yeah, it's the point is that some of the students, they go to the language center because they want to, not because they have to. Some of they have to, yes. Some of them are forced by parents, but the biggest part is are the students that want to go there, and because of that, there are a lot of teenagers. That's, I think, the turning point. When you go, when you go and you want to study, and if you want to study, everything will be fine. Whatever you do as a teacher, for students, it will be interesting. Whatever you do. So yeah. And it was great. So yeah, there I realized that I'm not a bad teacher at all. So I have students. I can practice my teaching methods. I can practice some techniques. I can do whatever I want there because they want that. They want to be engaged, and I've decided so that I guess it's not bad after all. I can keep going. And then I decided to move to St. Petersburg because I was a bit tired of my hometown because it's very small. There is no any kind of development there. And I've decided, okay, I want to move to St. Petersburg. And then I decided to teach online. And I gave a small, not even commercial, a small advertisement at my YouTube channel that, now I'm teaching online. If you want to study with me, please go ahead. And I got tons of students, and I'm still having them, right? And I'm still teaching them. Some of them left, some of them are still here. But here I also realized that it's a completely different piece of work to work with adult students.